outside offside.
Hirap mo.
Dismissed as the call.
Wala. Lula broke it.
That's nasty. This is a West Indian bloke late in the day. Trying to get through 145 km up into the ribs, protecting the melon. And early in the day.
Nah.
The day. That was Mark Taylor. That's got Mark Taylor written all over it, jumping away. Once again from the Windies. Just before lunch and just after lunch. Around about tea time as well. You're watching Anderson, the left-hander, open the innings, and we're under this sort of pressure time and time again. Three shots now, two gullies, legs,
glitter, okay?
short cover.
Oh, see? Be careful.
146 last over the day. Seriously, there's a big difference between 135 and 145.
Ito na yung mga ballpen
The
natin.
start of the summer, Mitchell Johnson was
Ito
going
yung
out
ano,
35. He's now
design
10k and more.
Pero pwede pa siyang bumili ng ibang design.
That
Pwede
is
pa.
lethal.
Matapat lang, lima dapat.
Aussies 3 balls to pounce
Apat nang nandito.
off the glove. Might even break a finger.
Live daw.
They only got 4.
Get at the groove of the batsman. It'll hold up, it's titanium.
Nakalandat pa. Go! Ayun. Green.
Oh, we went for the one across him, just got it too wide in the end, so 2 balls left now. Great game.
Ba't naman?
Extraordinary.
Then you
2
can make
million
it
days of
have
test
the
cricket.
highlight.
Unfortunately, day
Isang
one was
color lang
marred
to?
with rain.
Hindi.
Australia
You
today
put it
battled
all
their
over and then
way
you
to
color it.
280.
Ah.
About 100 at one
Yes,
stage.
got it.
Got themselves a
Ikaw
reasonable
nagbukas?
total.
Hindi?
And now
Ikaw
they are
nagbukas,
working really
diba?
hard to try and make it a reasonable
Kala ko,
total.
bukas na eh.
Well, let's not forget, it's the Jane McGrath Day as well. Day 3 of this test match. You've got Mark Taylor, Shane Warne in the pink suits. I dare say Tony Greig
Ay,
will
marami
take
pala
his
ni
pink
Shane.
hat. He did last year, it was stolen from you, Greg. But you can wear it tomorrow. It's going to be a huge day for a lot of reasons. Back over the wicket. Talk about a pink suit there. They're up the back, I spotted them.
See. Got the pot.
Dakot.
Yeah.
So you have to take lots of video so your Lila can see it, okay?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah, but I don't watch that. I don't understand it. I don't watch it sometimes.
Favorite ko yun eh. I like it. At saka yung kay Tony Gonzaga. Yung ang lalaking pinagmahal sa akin. Kasi it's fun. What else do you watch? Do you watch?
Watch.
Yung dalawa. Do you watch it?
You watch.
Matatapos na yun eh. Finish na yun. Yung The Wedding.
Gusto ko yung, ayun I needed to watch it last night. Final ad ko yun eh.
Oo. Hindi maganda yung ending niya, no?
And then watch it.
I didn't watch it. There's a replay. Pwede mo mapanood pa mamaya.
Final ad will show you. I think pipick niya yung sa ano.
Saan?
Hindi sa Wallows. Hindi ba?
Hindi si Marlon ang pinik niya. Napanood ko eh. Nagabi.
Kaya yun yun eh. Kasi si Wallow yung naiwan niya sa ano.
Saan?
Naiwan niya.
Mahal niya kasi si Marlon, di ba?
Oo. Eh, yan naman yung propose ka niya eh.
Okay, so she wants to see a video.
On balance as you transfer,
You just keep on
you
eating,
can
okay?
save $1,000 or more. Remember, this offer is only available at citibank.com.au/save or 1300 311 937.
Kain na lang.
The Brisbane Writers Festival is on again from September 9 to 13 at the State Library. It's where words come to life.
1 in 2 Australian men will be diagnosed with cancer before the age of 85.
It affects
May.
That's great. Me.
And
Alis mo na kami, babe.
9, 10, late.
Nisha, put your shoe on.
What?
Shoes mo. Alis tayo.
Saan?
Sa mall.
Wala na ba siyang ano dito?
Meron pa ito. Ewan ko na kung ano pinadala ko na wala.
Ay, ayun na mistake ko.
Yan pala eh. Kapalitan ko ba siya? Hindi na.
Hindi na, ganyan na.
Greetings from the world champions. 16-6.
43.
Ganyan.
Agonizing last 15 minutes of the game. For the hometown supporters.
You wanna speak to mom later on?
No.
You'll see her on Tuesday. You're watching
I'm busy
footy.
watching. Oh, I'm busy watching the footy.
Okay na, babe. Natapos mo na yung mga long-in. Hindi natapos mo. Yung mga long-in ba para hindi na mahalo. Oo nga, no? Ang gusto ng ito.
Hindi ka naman kasalanan.
Huwag isang rubbish this. Tama. Ito naman. Tumama na siya magkakapag.
Clothes.
That's a video, Lish, not a photo.
Oh, I thought it was a...
Kunin mo yung wallet mo. Ganda yung isang sandal. Nakapang sandal. Nalaga tayo.
Say hi. Sa video.
Costume naman. Yes, costume na naman. Another.
Pakulit.
Pang ano yan eh, pang summer yan.
Say hi.
Ayaw ko siya sigbilihan ng mga 60 eh. Kasi hindi ko siya pagpili sa 60.
I'll try to walk out like this, so I just leave it on.
Kasi na, din another chance ano. Chance costume.
Lakad ka kunwari model.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so. Yeah, ganun. Gandahan mo yung lakad mo dati. Parang model. Ganun. Ganun. Parang talaga sa video.
Gusto mo? Tama lang? You like it?
Yes.
Comfortable? Kasi pangit naman sobrang fitting. Eh, wala na siya.
Game. Hawak ka na. Smile ka na. Pose na. Balik. 1, 2, 3.
Tama.
Yung ano, ganun.
Dito ka Lula, halika. Dito ka Lula. Dito ka Lula, sabak, dali. Dito ka Lula, dito sabak ka Lula. Dito.
Okay.
Wait, that one. Which camera? Okay.
Gaya.
Don't miss it. Don't.
Ahead. Pull out that pants.
Go ano? This is a video. This is a video.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Can hear you talk too.
Yeah, like, oh, really? No, I didn't say hi loud.
Layo ka. Para makita ko yung ano mo, damit. Do a pose, ano, yung parang
Doon
posing.
hawak ka sa gitara. Hawak ka doon sa mga gitara. You hold there.
Yeah, yun siya. Magpo-posing yan siya. Pose lang. Pose. Kunwari na sa video eh.
Huh?
Yan, ganyan. Mag-acting ka kunwari, kasi video tayo.
Another one there. Another one.
Yeah, that's the one.
This one.
Yeah, this is on sale, okay?
Say ano Lish, Merry Christmas. Sabihin mo Lish, Merry Christmas.
I on sale, I just grab it.
Dali. Come on.
Sometimes I buy this girl.
Dali.
Mostly,
Sabihin mo, Merry Christmas.
I'm too shy. I'm too shy. Merry Christmas. I'm too shy.
ang galing.
Original naman yan, no? Hindi naman pipitsugin yan.
May ano pa ito, pangalan pa lang.
May pangalan yan. Ito naman. Bakit? Mura-mura lang. Dalang libo naman yan sa atin.
Sa Pampanga.
Hindi ako, nakapunta ko sa inyo minsan lang. Hindi ka nakapunta sa amin, no? Mama mo lang. Bakit?
Malis po ako noon eh. Nung nandun po ako, sila pumunta ako.
Nagtrabaho ba siya ngayon? Nagtrabaho ko ngayon?
Trabaho.
Bakit si yung pinsan niya mataba siya, mapayat?
Ano po ako? Hindi ako ganun mga pinsan ko dito. Malalaki. Maliit lang po.
Ngayon, di ba yung mga pinsan niya, ang lalaki nila ni no? Yung ni... Ay, buti nito, nakahabol pa nag-asawa. Paano? Pipidik? Hindi man mahilig mag-shoota?
Wala pang anak.